Hi, I'm going to go over the new Fisher & Paykel Solo mask. It's kind of a neat little mask. I'm going to pop this open. This is a FitPak, so it comes in all sizes. But your durable medical equipment company or your respiratory therapist may have one that just has the mask separate to the headgear. But in the FitPak, the medium comes on the mask. But there is also a little way to kind of see what size that you fit best. You kind of put your nose here. As you can see, I size mostly with the medium here as opposed to the small or the large. So I'm gonna leave this medium cushion on. You can see the small and large in the box there. But this is a very simple, kind of a neat little mask. One thing that sets this apart is there's no adjustment on the headgear, no manual adjustment on the headgear. But you'll notice as I pull back on this headgear, it stretches. It's a lot like a seat belt, so it kind of pulls forward automatically. So when you're fitting this mask, you're gonna pull this back over. So the yellow strap is gonna be towards the top of your head. And then the gray strap's gonna be towards the back. And you'll notice it auto adjusted right into my nose. So it's kind of nice that way. So there's not really a lot of adjustments, except for one of the big things we're hearing back from patients that we're dealing with is a lot of times these don't split super wide. And so on women, or with a patient I just worked with today, he was a male but had longer hair, and he said this slid around a lot. So if you do have longer hair, sometimes if you can pull this up and over, it keeps that, or if you can sleep in a ponytail or put your hair up here, obviously, notice I don't have that issue. But as you put your hair up here, it keeps this from sliding around. But in my case, it sits right in there. It just fits perfectly. We're gonna go over maintenance, disassembling, and assembling the mask. So this mask is very simple. The headgear, just if you pull up, is gonna pop off. You'll notice there's some exhalation ports here. This is the frame for the mask. And then the cushion comes up. What you wanna do to take the cushion off is just kind of lift it up like this. It just comes off there. And those are really your three parts of the mask. Very simple, very easy. And then of course, putting it back together, just push forward, it's gonna snap. And then you slide that headgear right over the top and push down, and it snaps right in place. Very simple and easy. As far as cleaning goes, I would recommend, a lot of times what I'll tell patients is just take a baby wipe or a CPAP wipe and wipe that cushion off to get the oil off of it. You can also pull it off and do a quick cleaning in warm soapy water. And do that daily. That's gonna keep most of the oil off of it, keep that mask seal better. And then once a week, I'd wash the whole thing in warm soapy water. Dawn dish soap is great, and then just hang it up to dry. And it is designed to be able to get all of this wet for cleaning purposes.